So we'll start with the feet about pelvis distance apart. And have your hands down on your hips, not up on your waist, but somewhere on your pelvis. And we'll bend the knees slightly and do this hip hinge. And we'll do this 10 times. You can keep your knees bent the whole time. You want to keep a neutral spine, so pretty flat. I think that's 3, 4, 5, 6. You can check with a mirror or with a friend to look at your posture or your video. Come back up. So I think that was 10. The next step is to do that same hip hinge, knees slightly bent, neutral spine. Don't let your head hang. You want to keep your head up there. Let the arms hang. And we'll do just 5 of this first one. We'll pull the elbows up and the elbows bend like cactus. And then we let them go back down. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this 5th one, let's hold it. And release. Come back up. Good. Take a moment. Next step, and you could just do that practice, that first cactus for a couple days, and then add the next step. So the next step is to hip hinge, hang, come up into the cactus, so pull the elbows back and up. Keep the elbows and the upper arms pretty stable and your trunk as you lift your forearms. And then from here, we straighten the arms and stretch the arms up, kind of toward the ceiling, sort of toward the angle of the ceiling, where the angle of the ceiling and the wall meet. Come back to cactus and down. I think I added an extra step on that one. Let's try it again. So cactus, lift the forearms, stretch them up and down. Pull up into cactus, lift the forearms, stretch and down. Pull up into cactus, lift the forearms, stretch and down. Pull up into cactus, lift the forearms, stretch and down. I think we have one more. Cactus, lift the forearms, stretch, hold it, and down. Good. I think that'll do it.